So this is our static WordPress website. People asking one question is called how to we can convert into dynamic sites. So what is meant by dynamic site? I can give you one example here. If I open further my site, Rakesh Solutions, I can provide for n number of services. In this one, I can click for where? For services. In one services button, you can provide for the n number of services. So here, how many pages are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A 6 page will be static. But when you click the page, they can show for more pages here. These are the my n number of services. So the company providing for n number of services. Same like this is my WordPress website. So first I'm creating my static website. So how to convert it to dynamic website? It's a simple logic. First of all, we can go to your WordPress dashboard. You can go to call option call is post. You come into category. Category name you can create by any kind of. You can produce offers, you can promoting areas, or you can promoting any kind of services. Create new category. Only one category will be there if you are leave with empty. Create new category that is called services. The category belongs to for none. Is not related for any other categories. This is called description will be services. Click for add new category. So after create a category, they display by where? On services. So this is I'm creating for menu name. What the menu name is called? Services. But it's a dummy page. The page does not have any content. After that, go to appearance, click for menus. Here will be there what is called category. Click for view all, select your category name, click for add to menu. This menu bar does not have any content, is a zero content. Click for save menu. Now, coming to here, refresh. Services created. I can click. How many services are there? 0 services. Now, I can create my services. So, in RSMR, I can provide for the n number of areas will be services. In this first one, you can go to option call is post, add new post. Is a create here. RSMR, marriage, Nagar. Next one, add media. Search your image. Search your content. So I can select your total content here. Copy. Paste here. So what is my service? Okay, service for particular area. So I can add by where? Services menu. Click for publish. Previous any content is there? Nothing found. Now I can refresh. After updating, you can click for refresh. What is the service name? Asama Mandir Magazine, Rajendra Nagar. Next one. Same like add new post. Samaj Mandir. Singapore. Add media. Search your file. So each content I'm adding for separate image and separate content for relevant. content. So they belongs to which one? Service 2. First service is Rajendra area. Second service will be Kismatpur. Now click for publish. So how many services you are providing? Add by each will be on your services page. Service is the your category. Category adding for n number of posts. Now here, how many posters are there right now? Only one. I can refresh. Now 1 and 2. So what is the here you will be there? Services Asama Marriage Mandir in Hyderabad. So I'm clicking for this keyword. I can read it. Arasamaj Marriage Mandir in Kismatpur. So they page promoting for where which area? Kismatpur area. This is called your services. Next one. Coming to here, add new post. So each post we adding for separate category. Only for one category can display by n number of pages. That is called dynamic website. First of all, creating by category. Category adding by your menu bar. Each post can add by where on category option. In one category promoting for n number of pages. Your home page is called static menu bar. If you click the any pages, if you showing for n number of pages, that is called dynamic website. Is it clear? One menu bar you can create by n number of pages, that is called dynamic. One page you create for n number of pages, that is called dynamic website. Every day page was increased. So your pages fixed by 10 pages is called static. So every day increase your pages. Suppose your area will be increased by n number of services. Definitely it is called dynamic website. Now here I'm adding for one more keyword. The keyword is called services. Click for publish. So now how many services are there? Total 3 services. Where you can find out. Click for services. 1. Ballaguda, Kismatpur, last one, Rajanagar. So like that, you can increase your n number of services. So you can services will be lost always using for contact page will be always lost. So you can change your menu option where appearance, click for menus. So I'm changing for this drag and drop. Last will be contact us. Click for save menu. Now click for here. Home, document required, services, more information, videos, and the marriage procedure. So you can go with the more information will be for last. Is it clear? These are all your static website. When coming to services, services will be increase. The page is dummy, but when you click the page, they're showing for n number of services. So this is all called dynamic website. Then it will be called create a category. The category name added for your menu bar. Create your post. Add on your category menu option. This is created by the dynamic website.